Hello, 5th grade. Ms. Trevino here. This is going to be a video for Ms. Santiago's class. I'm going to be reading Chapter 13 Restart questions for you in case no one at home can do it with you. So you're going to come over here April 6th to 10th. And then we're going to scroll down to Monday's to-do list, okay? You're going to come here to Restart Monday lesson. Now, I'd recommend you to open multiple tabs so that you're able to access my video and the PDF and your questions, okay? So like I'd click on what I needed to be open so that I'd have everything open, okay? So you could have like my video here, then the chapter 13, and then your questions, okay? So I'm going to read you number 1. You can pause it. I want you to go back, read, use text evidence to answer your questions, okay? And then come back to my video and press play, okay? And then once I read number 2, pause it, go back and forth, okay? Number 1. Why do you think Shoshana's friends are now hooked on the attention from the cool people? Why do you think Shoshana's friends are now hooked on the attention from the cool people? Okay, so you can pause the video and go back if you need to the chapter, and then go back and type your answer. Number 2, should she have lied to Joelle? Remember, we're answering these questions in complete sentences, full and complete sentences. Okay, number 3, do you think Chase is laughing on the inside? Why or why not? Okay, so this isn't just a yes or no answer. You need to explain why. If you think he's laughing on the inside, why? If he's not, why not? Okay, so let's restart chapter 13. Let me know if you need anything.